Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shubhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to yet another exciting video, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very random glow up routine. So today is Chaturthi of Navratri. So I thought of giving myself a little makeover because मुझे पार्लर तो नहीं जाना है. Obviously I'll go for doing my eyebrows, but मुझे facial नहीं कराना है because facial और डिटैन अलग से 2000 चार्ज करता है. तो आई डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड 5000 ऑन द पार्लर. एंड नेल्स भी इस टाइम मैंने नहीं किया फॉर द रीजन कि वो नेल को बहुत खराब कर देता है. अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव डन द नेल्स. तो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फेक प्रेस ऑन नेल्स जिसका भी वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है. Anyways, I'll just shoot it when I'll just apply it. By the way, this is a brand new mic. Now only it arrived and I'm shooting. So it is daytime and cooking is going on, so there will be a lot of noises. I don't know how far this mic can cancel it. So today I have already done my detan using the Raga detan pack. So uska separate video is already uploaded, like detan रागा डिटन बैक का रिव्यू और एप्लीकेशन सबका एक रिव्यू ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है मेरे चैनल पे. सो आई एम नॉट showing you that. So I'll be mentioning the link of that video in the description in case you want to check that out. You can do it. So today in this video I'll be showing you this. So I will be doing my facial by myself for the very first time. मैं कभी नहीं की हूँ facial by myself. Like yeah, I took some वो होता है ना face massage, वो सब मैं की हूँ, detan की हूँ, but facial तो नहीं. So this one is the Alps Goodness Diamond Rejuvenating Facial Kit with charcoal. By the way, I got it for free. So I recently ordered few products from Purple, like Mars and Alps Goodness का. तो with that I got this absolutely free. So it's like a very good deal. तो originally इसका MRP है, okay, 145 is the MRP of it. So it's inexpensive obviously, so you can check that out if it turns out good. I don't know ये कैसे turn out होगा. So I have already done my detan, and please ignore the noises because cooking is going on. So I'll be showing you, I'll be doing my facial and I'll be shooting that. So here's the Alps Goodness Diamond Facial Kit. तो इसके अंदर आपको मिलता है बहुत सारे pouches. You get total 5 pouches with it. So I'll tell you क्या क्या है इसमें. तो you get and steps में 1 2 3 4 लिखा हुआ है, तो it's very easy and convenient. So the first step is cleansing milk, the second step is scrub, the third step is cream, the fourth step moisturizer, and the fifth step is pack. So within the 5 steps the facial will be done, I think. So let's start, and I'm excited, hoping for the best results. So I've done my detan already, and now I'll be applying this facial kit. Anyways, so let's begin. But before moving forward, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video. And now, without any further blabbering, let's begin. So let's begin. Step 1. Okay, there is something cream type ka.
Take a good amount of the cleansing cream on your palms and then apply it on your face and massage it nicely. Make sure to give it a nice massage for that extra cleansing. And then when you are done, wipe it off with a wet pad and you're done with the first step. Step 2 is scrubbing. So take the cream scrub on your palm and then massage it with light hand on your face. Don't overdo it because you can hurt your skin.
Step 3 is the cream. So massage the cream all over your face in small upward and circular motion for 12 to 15 minutes. Wipe off excess cream with cotton pad. So you have to keep it for 15 minutes after massaging. So this is the cream.
Take the cream and start applying it on your face and slowly massaging it. Apply it properly at first and then start massaging. Massage it in circular direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. The directions are mentioned so you can follow that as well. And when you're done, wipe it off with the wet pad and you're done with the third step as well. And all the directions are mentioned properly, so don't worry about that.
I don't know, but yeah, can you see like little glow? I think it's like, I don't know. It feels like my skin is glowing. So this is the pack. So gently apply a thin layer of pack. It's like वो volcano mask होता है ना वैसा.
Apply the face mask properly all over your face, and it's like the volcano mask. And don't forget your neck, apply it properly and then wait for 15 to 20 minutes. In the direction it's mentioned 15 minutes, but for me it took 20 to 22 minutes to dry it out properly. And after drying out it was looking very weird, so I'm hiding my face as much as I could. So whenever it dry out, just wash it off quickly. It was really stretching my skin. So I have washed my face and now it's time for the last step, the step number 5, that is moisturizing, like moisturizer. So take the moisturizer and massage it into the face until absorbed into the skin. So let's try. And yeah, by the way, this is the skin. The last step is moisturizing. So take the cream, and at first I felt like it is not absorbing, so you have to give it a really nice massage and then only it will absorb. But once it absorbs, it gives a really nice dewy finish to the skin, but it takes time to absorb, so you have to massage it well for 5 to 8 minutes. So it's done, and I don't know whether it's looking visible or not, but yeah, I can definitely see some glow. So generally it's said that 1 day के बाद आपको actual result मिलता है. I don't know, but I'll give you the review tomorrow, and then I will end the videos. So I'll catch you up tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's the result as of now, and I'll catch you up tomorrow morning to give my final review of this product. Hi, so this is the next morning and I'm shooting the video in natural light so that you can see the actual result. So this is my skin up close. So yeah, definitely you can see some glow. बहुत ज़्यादा glow तो नहीं बोलूँगी मैं, but yeah, you can see some like healthy glow in my face. So it is like totally bare skin without anything, even without a moisturizer or lip balm, anything. So you can see there is some glow, if you can see, and it is that healthy glow. I won't say बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम अलग लग रहा है skin, but yeah, you can definitely see some glow. So I like the product because it's very inexpensive, so you can definitely try it. And from my side, this product gets a thumbs up. And yeah, now let's end the video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And we'll meet very very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, bye.